seguir tus sueños, sin olvidar mantener los pies en el suelo. Destapa tu corazón y no tengas miedo, sin alterar el pulso de tus sentimientos. No cures para siempre, siempre es mucho tiempo que lo grande se encuentra en lo más pequeño. Besarnos, querernos, tocarnos, llamarnos, lijar los errores, saber perdonarnos, dar sin esperar y sentirnos queridos son los mandamientos para sentirnos vivos. Empieza a olvidar a los que te olvidaron para sentirte libre sin dueño ni amo, para verte más guapa y alegrarte el día, besar tu reflejo y sube tu autoestima.
Hey everybody, hope you all enjoyed that video. Sorry for the lower quality for this one. I'm kind of short on time. My family's visiting this week, so I haven't had a lot of time to work ahead and do the normal editing for my video blog. So hopefully this will suffice, but if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and leave a like, subscribe to get more content kind of like this. If you want to check out the stuff I've written about La Cascada is down below and the link to my blog, so you can read a little bit more about that. As always, hope you're enjoying what I'm putting out, hope you're having fun with your own adventures, and I'll see you next time.